Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 51, Quranic verses, The Desire for Matters which Pertain to the Hereafter. Let all those who aspire to things of high value aspire as if in a race with each other. Al-Mutaffifin 83:26, hadith number 296. Narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Ghusl 20, Anbiya 20, Tawheed 35. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "When Ayub was bathing while naked, golden locusts began to fall on him, and Ayub began to collect them in his garment. His Lord called to him, 'O Ayub, have we not made you wealthy enough not to need what you see?' He said, 'Yes, indeed, by your might, but I still need your blessing.'"